Hello and welcome everyone. We all know that the documents, records or register or even the minutes book of the company can be maintained in electronic form. We are in 2020 today and most of the documents are maintained by the company in electronic form. Such provisions for maintenance and inspection of documents in electronic form has been governed under section 120. So in this lecture, we will be going through section 120. I am your host and teacher for law, Santosh Baliga. So without wasting any time, let's dive into section 120. First of all, section 120 provides that any document, record, register or minutes. If you have not yet seen my video on minutes, do search for section 118 under my channel and you can refer to the chapter of or the topic of minutes, detailed discussion of the same with complete 100% conceptual clarity and ICI module coverage. So it provides that, section 120 provides that documents, records, registers or minutes to be kept by the company or allowed to be inspected or copies given to any person. Okay, company may keep it in the registered office of the company. Company may allow it for inspection. If anybody has requested for copies, company may give the copies also. All of this in the electronic form itself may be kept or inspected or copies given in electronic form. In which form? Electronic form. In such form and manner as has been specified in Rule 27, 28 and 29. So these are the three rules that we have to understand to complete section 120. Okay, we will go through all these three rules by the help of this particular chart. It's a very small topic, not a very important topic from the examination point of view, but we have to understand it because that is there in our syllabus, and in case it comes in the exam, we should be able to answer it. In this, rule number 27 is the most likeliest question or topic which may come for case study purpose in the examination. So what does rule 27 speak about? Rule 27 tells us that every listed company, we all know what is listed company. Any company which has its securities listed on the stock exchange, recognized stock exchange, then we call it as an listed company. Okay, or any company having at least 1,000 shareholders, debenture holders, and other security holders. That is aggregate. This is aggregate of 1,000. Total of 1,000 shareholders plus debenture holders plus security holders, then the company may maintain its records as required in the electronic form. This is very, very important rule. We have to remember this rule because it may be possible that a particular sub-question of an case study may require you to list which company may maintain its registers or minutes book in electronic form. Okay, I hope this is clear. Second, Rule 28 would speak about the responsibility of the persons who would be maintaining and ensuring security of the electronic records. It is the managing director of the company, company secretary of the company, or any director or officer, as the board may have authorized or board may decide, shall be responsible for maintenance and security of the electronic record. So Rule 27 is clear, Rule 28 is clear. Finally, Rule 29 speaks about where a company maintains a record in e-form, that is electronic form. If a company is maintaining its records in electronic form, then any duty given by the act or provision or rules shall be construed or deemed to be the duty for maintenance of records available in electronic records also. Okay, for inspection or copies to be provided on payment not exceeding 10 rupees per page. So inspection or copies will be provided. Majorly copies will be provided. Normally inspection is free, but in case the copies are given, then the copies shall be given for not exceeding 10 rupees per page. If it is in electronic form. So I hope you have understood this section 120, that is section 120 of the Companies Act 2013. So I hope you have understood this particular lecture, this edition of Company Law lecture of section 120. If you have understood this lecture, do like the video, share it maximum with your friend, and do ensure that you subscribe to this channel to be tuned with many more company law lectures for your CA Inter examination. Thanks a lot. Stay safe. Stay happy.